Hello student. Today our topic element of Earth's magnetism. Element of Earth's magnetism. Now the physical quantities which determine the intensity of Earth's total magnetic field completely. Completely that means both in magnitude and directions, जिसमें directions and magnitude हो, are called magnetic elements at that place. उस प्लेस पे हमारे पास ये मैग्नेटिक एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. रिपीट, जो एलिमेंट्स है वो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज है जिसका जो क्या करता है इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अर्थ टोटल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स डिटरमाइंस करने के लिए यूज होता है, जो कम्प्लीटली होता है. कम्प्लीटली दैट मीन्स जिसमें हम उसकी मैग्नीट्यूड्स एंड डायरेक्शंस बहुत फाइंड कर सकते हैं, आर कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक एलिमेंट्स एट दैट प्लेस. Now following are three magnetic elements. We have three magnetic elements. First elements, angle of declinations. Angle of declinations are magnetic declinations. Are magnetic declinations. The angle of declinations it is denoted by theta. Angle of declinations is denoted by theta. Before we understand the angle of declination, let us first define two terms. हम इस थीटा को डिफाइन करने से पहले हम यहाँ पे टू टर्म्स यहाँ पे पहले डिफाइन कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म्स जियोग्राफिक मेरिडियन. जियोग्राफिक meridian, it is a vertical place. It is a vertical place at a place which passes through the geographic north and the south poles of the earth. Meridian, geographic meridian, it is a vertical plane. It is a vertical plane at a place which passes through the geographic north and south poles of the earth. And second terms is magnetic meridian. First is geographic, second is magnetic. Magnetic meridian, it is a vertical plane. This is the very vertical plane, and it is the vertical plane at a place which passes through the magnetic north and south pole of the earth. This is the geographical north एंड साउथ पोल से पास हो रहा था, बट ये मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल से ऑफ द अर्थ से क्या होता है, पास होता है. देन वी नो दैट द लाइन ज्वाइनिंग द अर्थ एंड नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल of a freely suspended magnet is called magnetic axis. Suppose we have a magnet and एक लाइन जो क्या करता है नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल्स को ज्वाइन करता है, क्या कहलाता है, मैग्नेटिक एक्सिस. द एक्सिस अबाउट विच द अर्थ रोटेट इज कॉल्ड जियोग्राफिक एक्सिस. ये भी हमें पता है. इसके अकॉर्डिंगली यदि हमारे पास कोई अर्थ रोटेशन होता है, the axis about which the earth rotates is called geographic axis. Geographic axis. We have studied that the magnetic axis of the earth does not coincide with the geographical axis. It means that a freely suspended magnetic needle will get aligned along the magnetic axis but not along the geographical axis. As a result, there is some residual angle between the geographical axis and the magnetic axis. So we can define angle of declinations at a place as a small angle. It is a small angle between the magnetic axis and a geographic axis. ये जो हमारे पास एंगल ऑफ डिक्लिनेशन है वो स्मॉल एंगल है between the magnetic axis and geographic axis. In other words, it is the angle between the magnetic meridian and a geographic meridian at a place. That means we have in this place, this is a geographical north and a magnetic north. Then angle between them is theta. This is the angle of declinations. Or this is the geographical meridian and this is magnetic meridian. Then angle between theta. इन दोनों के बीच का जो एंगल है हमारे पास थीटा है. And now second elements, angle of dip or inclination. Second element is angle of dip or inclination. It is denoted by del. It is denoted by del. If a magnetic needle is suspended from its center of gravity, suppose फ्रीली नीडल इसको सस्पेंडेड कर देते हैं, लटका देते हैं. दिस इज स्टैंड एंड इन दिस पॉइंट्स this is our needles. This is the center and this is the horizontal axis. Then angle between them is del. So इसकी जो एंगल्स फाइंड करनी है यहाँ पे this type. This is a horizontal axis, in the directions is vertical axis, and this is I. This is north pole and this is south pole. This is center of O. Then listen to carefully. If a magnetic needle is suspended from its center of gravity such that it is free to rotate in the vertical plane, इसको लटका दिया जाए तो वर्टिकल प्लेन्स पे मूवमेंट करने के लिए हमारे पास ये फ्री होता है. द निडल रेस्ट इन द नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शंस मेकिंग सम एंगल विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से कुछ एंगल्स पे जगह का रेस्ट करना स्टार्ट करता है. दिस इज शोन इन फिगर. द एंगल विच द एक्सिस ऑफ फ्री सस्पेंडेड मैग्नेटिक नीडल एट अ प्लेन इज अ मैग्नेटिक मेरिडियन make with the horizontal line. It is magnetic meridian and with the horizontal lines is called angle of dip. Angle of dip. And our third element is horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. Horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Listen to carefully. The horizontal component is the component of the total intensity of Earth's magnetic field is the horizontal directions along the magnetic meridian. Repeating again, the horizontal component is the component of the total intensity of Earth's magnetic field is the horizontal directions along the magnetic meridian. Okay, class is over. Thank you.